Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen, you just have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, screen recorder. You just tap it once and the timer will be set on 3, and after that the record will start. Let's record something. And then to stop recording, you just tap on it, on this red button, and the recording will be saved to the gallery. Here you can find your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.